Hi there and welcome to the Mobile School Playground. Today I will introduce to you the SuperDoctor game, a fun and interactive game on different injuries and first aid solutions. Now, what do you need to play this game? First of all, you will need the body panel over here, which you can print out and which you can attach to a regular Mobile School panel. You will need the puzzles over here, which you can cut out afterwards as well. And you will need the different faces of different characters, which you can attach to the board afterwards. Now, let us have a look how to play the game. First of all, you will gather all the children in front of the panel, and one child can pick a character. For example, over here, a Spider-Man that you can attach to the board. Like this. Now, you will have your 3 piles of causes, which are represented in yellow. You will have a pile with injuries in red, and you will have a pile with possible treatments or first aid solutions in green. Now, the objective of the game is that a child picks an injury and that you find the cause of the injury and the first aid solution or the treatment that you can link to that specific injury. Let me give you an example. For example, over here, what do you see? You see a boy that's sweating very heavily and that is suffering from a headache. What could be a possible cause for this? So I'm going to look in the yellow pile for the causes, and I find the sun. Maybe the sun is a possible cause for the sweating and the headache of the boy. Now I can look as well for the first aid solution, for the treatment of this injury. I'll check the green pile. I look if I can find something over here, and I find someone is sleeping, and you see a bottle of water over here, an ice pack, and after sun, which looks, in my opinion, as the right solution for the treatment. But you can always check if you've found the correct answer as well, because if you try to make the puzzle and it fits, then you know that you have found the correct solution for that injury. So, what to do next? You try to identify the body part. For example, Spider-Man is suffering from a headache, and you will do a role play. The child will become the doctor, and another child or the street educator can be the patient. So the patient will be Spider-Man that is suffering from a sunstroke. So you'll do the role play, you'll discuss the injury, and then afterwards, when you've finished, a next participant, another child, can choose another injury, and you will look together for the causes or for the first aid solutions. With the SuperDoctor panel, you can also play a couple of variations. You can start the game, for example, by identifying a specific cause, and then think what the injury can be and what the treatment can be for that injury, but you can also do it the other way around. For example, by starting to look for a first aid solution or treatment, and then think back what the injury could be and what the specific cause of that injury can be. All of this, of course, is depending on the target group you work with on the mobile school. You can also use this panel as a general discussion panel, because you'll see over here, for example, a cell phone, and in that cell phone, or next to the cell phone on the blackboard, you can write the emergency number that the children can dial in case they face an emergency on the streets. Here at the bottom of the panel, you will still see a couple of objects that are linked to first aid or medical treatment, which will allow you as well to dig a little bit deeper with the children on the topic of healthcare and first aid. For example, you'll see some blood over here, you will see an injection needle over here, and you will see a heartbeat over here. So you can discuss all of these different objects with the children and reflect a little bit more on first aid and healthcare. So I think you're ready right now to take the SuperDoctor panel with you on the streets. Have fun with the kids, and we'll see you very soon.